guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year. Today is New Year's Day, and we're going to be doing an oil change on the new truck. If you didn't see my previous video, go on over and check it out. I did a little walk around of the truck I just bought. It's a 2008 F250 Lariat, and it has the 5.4 motor in it. So we're going to be doing an oil change on that today. Ford recommends that you change it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. I just bought the truck, no idea when the oil has been changed, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. I've heard that the 5.4 motors can be pretty picky when it comes to, the oil and whatnot. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm using, all Motorcraft stuff, and we're going to get right into it. So I've got 7 quarts of the 5W20 synthetic blend from Motorcraft, and then I've got the FL820S Motorcraft oil filter. I've got the truck already warming up outside, and we're gonna go and drain the oil, take the old filter off, and then put the new filter on and fill it back up with oil. Alright guys, so the oil change seemed to quiet down the motor quite a bit. When I'm in the cab, I can barely even hear it running. And hopefully you guys could tell on the video, but yeah, in this video I actually started using my new tripod. Got it for Christmas, so hopefully that kind of helped out with the video quality, and it's not so shaky anymore. But yeah, that's pretty much going to wrap this video up. I know you guys are probably hoping for some 6.0 content, so hopefully here in the next week or so, I'm going to get to install that regulated return in the 6-liter. That way I can get the video out for you guys, and I can get it running and driving, and we'll be able to see what it does with the 25100s and the 369. So, yeah, Happy New Year, and thank you guys for watching.